Hello, we are from Team Bubby and today we'll introduce Unblock to you. We all know we ever experience about traffic jam and congestion. Obviously these problems frustrate you, but there is a bigger problem, especially in Hong Kong currently. Currently, congestion is one of the current problems in Hong Kong due to the high number of car ownership. This reduces the access to emergency services during critical moments. But what if we can unblock this problem in Hong Kong? Introducing Unblock, which is an optimized parts searcher with embedded machine learning in order to control and regulate traffic throughout Hong Kong. For the initial deployment of Unblock, this is the current working principle that we came up with. Or to summarize the work process, we utilize the React frontend in order to communicate with our application that is handled by different Amazon Web Services. Now I would like to demonstrate our services Unblock.
As you can see in the Unblock website, you can first select your destination, from, and to, and when you press the search button, it will search for you the best from the API to search for you the best petting location. As we can see, it shows to you that the red color indicates that it is heavy traffic, the yellow one is indicate the slow traffic, and the green one indicate a very free traffic. This API compiles and then tries to provide the best route and while it is controlling the traffic and the area around it.
Now we will talk about the potential of Unblock to disrupt the market. Currently, competitors of this service includes Waze and Google Maps. Both of them serve the same function, which is to analyze the traffic passively and provide suggestions for consumers to travel. Now we will talk about the market potential of the Unblock service. From the profitability standpoint, we can see that with the increased amount of traffic in Hong Kong, this will produce highly dense areas with cars and will waste the amount of time one spends in the road, decreasing productivity. In addition, it could also affect one's physical health and conditions, and it will lead to loss in profit. So if we implement Unblock, this will potentially tackle current solutions regarding profitability. From the standpoint of scalability, we have developed this application with the mentality of scalability. So we will use Amazon Web Service to help us scale up or scale down our application and optimize our cost expenditure. Now I will talk about the business model of the Unblock service. From the standpoint of value proposition, we can see that the customer demographics mainly consists of emergency services and working class. Besides that, the negotiation power of the Unblock technology is very strong as it is one of a kind due to the active traffic regulation technology that we are going to implement. The feature set that the Unblock technology provides is to not only provide real-time traffic conditions, but also to regulate the traffic systems through ATC, which is area traffic controls, and optimize the flow of cars around highly dense and congested areas. Looking at the profitability equation, using AWS load balancing, we can predict and project our net profit using the Unblock technology, which would accumulate to 357,000 USD per year. Because the Unblock technology can actively control traffic, the initial deployment stage would be for emergency services and also for data collection and analysis for AWS machine learning. When the data collection process achieves more than a certain threshold, we will hard launch the product and open it to the consumer market. This means that the machine learning models in AWS had already developed optimization algorithms for us to produce the optimal route of choice in the given time from the satellite data. This is a visual representation of our business model using the Unblock technology deployment. So from customer segments, value proposition, scalability, algorithms, key partners, cost structures, and revenue streams.
Now we'll talk about the social impact. Firstly is the healthcare availability. The main issue with high level of delay from first responder is due to the traffic condition, especially for heart-related emergencies when time is especially short. With this, we could reduce those delays due to the congestion and save more life and help people in need. Secondly, with the reduce of congestion, it is possible to reduce the noise pollution which hinder and affect the mental health of the citizens around it. And similarly to the first point, access to fire service will be better because there will be less delay and people could respond faster. If you have any more questions, please contact us via our email or our Discord channel. And eventually, thank you for listening our product Unblock.